Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So I thought we would make a slimline card today using this elegant snowflakes and border die, and this is the Don't Peek Yeti stamp set and outline dies. And since it's Christmas in July, I thought it would be fun just to use these sets together. I haven't used this snowflake die before. I did win it so it was really nice to win it because it's really pretty. So if you have it, I'd love to hear what you've done with it. I'm using some Distress inks and Spritz, Distress Spritz sprays, and I am using Mica stain, Distress Mica stain. So I'm using a few inks in Faded Jeans, Chipped Sapphire, and Villainous Potion. So I am also using some Canson 140-pound watercolor paper. So it's nice and thick, and it does really well with with water. And so I'm just having fun spritzing and spraying and using water. So it was a lot of fun making this background here. And I'm trying to go for, like, I know it's a Christmas, but it looks kind of wintry background, like in the snow. That's what I was trying to get, something like that. And I will also be using some glitter paper from my stash, and because I do need to use up some paper, I buy it at Michael's or just the local stores, and I need to use up my paper so I can get more paper. And so I'm just spritzing and drying, and I love that Peacock Feathers Distress Spritz, really pretty. And it's really shimmery up close. And next I will be grabbing that snowflake border die here. And I am going to run that through my die cutting machine, and trying to figure out which way I want to place it, which side I like best. Although there is a lot of space to add more color, and I'm just trying to poke out all the negative pieces and get my snowflake border out safely, because I am a little rough and I just want to pull it. And so I'm just trying to be a little patient here and get it out. And it is really pretty and gorgeous, so I do highly recommend this die. And it's nice to get it too early in July, so you have time to play with it before the real holidays get busy. And so I'm going to color up my Yeti really simply here. I stamped him with Memento Tuxedo ink on, I think, Hammermill paper and 100-pound, and I have my colors up there, and the R11 is for his cheeks, and I did just color him really like white looking, and then I will use the die to cut him out. And just thought he needed a little more gray there on his toes and his nose. I'll color, I believe, up the pink, and just going over him a little bit more. I think he's adorable. I love this stamp set. And I am using a black Sharpie pen for his eyes, and I do use my white gel pen also to put that dot, I believe, in his eye. and I like the 10, so, and I usually mark on my hand, make sure it is rolling. And so there it is, all nice and beautiful. And I have all those extra pieces there. It's hard to throw those away, but I probably will. Now I'm going to glue everything. I did cut out the Mary word die. I believe I just cut it out 2 times with the excess watercolor paper I had still, and then with gray heavyweight cardstock. And I do have a card base here, and I believe my Slimline card is about 3 by 8, and I will just be using my bone folder to crease everything down. This is a heavyweight glitter paper, so I just want to make sure that everything stays in place, and I'm going to be using liquid glue. And I also did stamp out the Christmas from the stamp set, and so that it'll say Merry Christmas. And it was a really fun and a simple card because the Yeti was super easy to color. You can also just leave him just stamped because it's not too noticeable, my coloring. And then you can just put your border die on your Slimline card. You could probably also make an A2 card with this border die, just cut appropriately to what size you need, and making sure everything is lined up. And I will add a stamp block as well because I want to make sure that everything stays in place, especially those fragile snowflakes. And so there is my stamp block, and then I will add everything else. And I'm popping up the Yeti, and then I will just add the Merry and the Christmas. So I did use a quick strips die set to cut out the Christmas, and I just cut it shorter than it was because this word was small. And that was heat embossed on black cardstock. And that pretty much finishes this card. So simple, and I love it. I think it's adorable. I love Yetis, and for crafts, of course. If I seen one in real life, it would be really scary. Just picking out all the excess here. See, I'm still finding some of those negative pieces. Luckily, that one just came out. And here is a close-up. So thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.